Good night, viewers and subscribers. We do apologize for the late upload. Episode will be posting 7:30 p.m. and the live will start 8:30 p.m. Even though we say it's 8 o'clock, but we're moving it up to 8:30. Thank you guys for your patience and time. We love you all.
Hey everybody, you know it's your girl Shelly Expressions, and I'm saying join us this Sunday on our Sunday Night Lyme that starts at 8 p.m. We are going to be talking about a 16-year-old who fed more than over 100 homeless people, and of course Shaggy's Hotshot album that ranked the biggest on the 200 Billboard charts. People, is Beenie Man seeking attention from Vybz Kartel? And are the people saying that Vybz Kartel is the real king of the dance song? Join us this Sunday at 8 p.m. at Incognito Vacation Stay and make us shut up the things there, yeah? Our special guest this Sunday will be none other than the man himself, Dr. Evil. Left side. So come join me, come chill, come sit down and chat with you, ask him about questions about his new beginnings for 2025. Alright? Incognito Vacation Stay this Sunday, Sunday Night Live. I'm your host, Shelly Expressions, and my co-host, Orville Hall. See you this Sunday.
She want my body, she need my body, she love my body.